welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick little haul and try on from my recent visit to the Tanger Outlets at Foxwoods. I went to my favorite stores and I got a lot of sale items. Super excited to share them with you. We're going to start with Express. Absolutely love Express. Absolutely love Express Outlets because everything is practically on sale. We're gonna start with the peplum tank tops. So I'm actually wearing one of them today. I absolutely love these tops, guys. I have them in red, in olive green, and I had said I wish I had gotten them in every color back when they were on the shelves. And I went to the outlet and they had them in like every color, so I literally picked them up in every color. I love the shirt and I think it's super cute, and I couldn't leave it behind because honestly it was $7.95 a shirt, literally under $8. Guys, you can't beat that. So I'm wearing the hot pink one today. So I'm going to be doing a quick little try on later in the video so you can see everything. I got the same peplum tank in royal blue. Love it. Love this color. It's like my second favorite color next to black and hot pink. So regular price is $19.95. $19.95, guys. $7.95 at the Tanger Outlets. Am I saying that right? Tanger Outlets. Moving along, I got another peplum tank, this time in black. Got it in black because I didn't have a black peplum tank. Can never go wrong with black. So the last sale item that I got from Express Outlet was the high-low duster cardigan. And this is, or it was, this was regular $59.95. I ended up getting it for $35.97. So I got it in this cute little oatmeal color, and it's really long, and it's a high-low. All right, guys, the next item that I have is from the Guess store or the Guess outlet, and it is a zip-up little sweatshirt. So I actually got this from the men's section because I feel like the men's sweatshirts at Guess fit so much better than the women's sizes do. So this is actually really comfy and roomy. I got it in a small. This was in the clearance section. So regular price of $54.99. There was a sale tag of $52 and I ended up paying $26 for this. So super cute find, and you can share it with your boyfriend if you want. Or not. You don't have to share. Last item that I found was at one of my favorite stores, the Michael Kors store, and it just so happens that they're having their semi-annual sale where most of the products are 70% off. Can't beat that. Why pay full price Michael Kors when you can literally get it on sale? So I ended up finding this white optic taupe. It's the Kinsley bag, and it's regular $498. It was on sale. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this, you Michael Kors lovers? Da-da-da-dum. $99.60. That's right. I got this almost $500 bag for $99.60. And it's super cute. I was actually searching for a white purse that I could use for the summer. And I was excited when I came across this one. Super cute. It's got a little pocket here. I love the material. It's like this straw weave almost. It's very beachy. You can bring this to the beach. The sand will fall right off. So yeah, and I love the handles. I love the silver. So I'm a huge silver fan, and I find that many of the purses that I love at Michael Kors love the color. It ends up being that the hardware is always gold on the ones that I love, and I'm just not really a gold fan. I use a lot more silver, or white gold. So I was excited when I found this white one and it actually had the silver hardware. So, and it's got this cute little closure inside. Let's see. Actually open it. That's how you open it. And it's really roomy, guys. I mean, really roomy. I haven't even used it yet. Just taking out the stuff. Look at that. Is this not the best beach bag ever? Seriously, super cute. I actually had this in like a tan brown color, which is super cute. I actually thought about getting the brown one, but because I don't have any newer white purses, I felt like this was the better choice. So, can't beat that, guys, literally. Go to the outlets. Get your purses there. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell. If you like the video, leave a like, leave me a comment, let me know what your favorite stores are. Let me know which stores you'd like me to do a haul at, and we'll see if we can make it happen. Alright, thank you guys so much. See you soon. Bye!